Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Connect the iPhone XR to your computer with a lightning cable and plug the computer in if needed. Make sure your Mac or PC has the latest Mac OS or iTunes. This ensures drivers and restore tools work. Press and hold the side button and either volume button briefly to wake the phone, then turn it off if on screen. Once done, you'll be ready to force the device into recovery mode for the restore sequence. Now perform the exact button sequence. Press volume up, press volume down, then press and hold the side button until the screen shows the connect to computer icon or the recovery mode animation. Keep holding even if you see the Apple logo. Letting go too early exits the process. On your computer, open Finder or iTunes. It should show a device in recovery mode and offer update or restore. Choose update first to attempt reinstalling iOS without erasing your data. Complete the process by selecting Update, then follow on-screen prompts. Mac OS or iTunes will download firmware and reinstall iOS. If Update fails, choose Restore. Note that Restore erases the device, so back up beforehand when possible. After Restore, sign in with your Apple ID to reactivate and disable activation lock. If the computer never recognizes the phone, try a force restart and repeat the sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.